Hi, I'm Jose from Sophos Support. Today we will be talking about mailbox creation for Sophos email. Mailbox creation is essential because for Sophos email to work as expected, mailbox objects must be present. Otherwise, emails for both inbound and outbound will be rejected. There are 4 options for this: manual mailbox creation, import from a CSV file, AD Sync tool, and Azure AD Sync. This video will discuss the first 2 simplest options. AD Sync tool and Azure AD Sync will be discussed in each respective videos. For the manual mailbox creation, go to Mailboxes, click the Add button, then choose Add Mailbox. In the Add Mailbox pop-up, you can choose which mailbox type you want to create from the drop-down menu. User would indicate that it is a mailbox for a person. Distribution list means central processes one email address, but it translates to many email addresses once it gets to the destination server. Public folder means that anyone in the organization can access this mailbox. Supply the name in the space provided, then the email address. Click on Save or save and add another if you have another mailbox to add. Alias accounts can be specified as well. These accounts do not appear as mailboxes but are recognized as alternative email addresses for the primary email account. Here's how to add an alias manually. Click on the mailbox of the primary email account, and to the right of aliases, click on the edit link. Fill in the alias email address you want and click on the Add button. Let's move on to import from a CSV file. When adding mailboxes via CSV file, you start by going to Mailboxes, click on the Add button, choose Import Mailboxes and Aliases in the drop-down menu. You can then browse and choose the CSV file that contains the users and mailboxes from your local drive. Then click on the Add button. Only successful results will be added. Remember that the maximum file size is 1 MB and that the CSV file must be UTF-8 encoded. To help you with creating the CSV file, you can either download a blank template with header or template with example data. The template with example data shows exactly how to enter each account and type of mailbox. DL stands for distribution list, PF stands for public folder, and user stands for user mailbox. Here are some behaviors which may help with testing or troubleshooting. Distribution lists and public folders do not need a user object, only the mailbox object. Creating a user mailbox within the mailboxes page will also create the user on the people page. Creating a user within the people page will only create the user, not the mailbox in the mailboxes page. Deleting a user within the people page will also delete the mailbox in the mailboxes page. Deleting a mailbox within the mailboxes page will not delete the user in the people page. If you're adding an alias to a mailbox but cannot click on the edit link, this indicates that the mailbox is Active Directory synchronized. You will need to add the alias in the Active Directory instead. And that's it. If you want to watch the videos for mailbox creation using AD Sync tool or Azure AD Sync, the links are provided in the description. I hope you found this video useful. Check out the documentation for this video in the video description. For further assistance, view and post questions on community.sophos.com. And go to techvids.sophos.com for more great videos like this one. Thanks for watching!